Hello friends, I'm Hindvi. Welcome to my channel Hindi with Hindvi.
Hindi with Hindvi.
Here I'll not teach you Hindi. We'll learn together. If you don't speak Hindi but you want to learn Hindi, this video is specially for you. Today we'll learn our first Hindi letter. This letter is called A. So let's say it together. A. So when we have to say our mouth is a little bit open. No lips and teeth touching, just a little bit open mouth. Just sound like a little bit Now repeat after me again. The sound comes from our mouth, not from our nose. No humming, just speaking. Now try again with me. Now let's learn how we write the letter A. First, make a half circle. Then, make another half circle. Then, make a small line. And then, make a big line. And then, make a big line like this. Done! Now friends, you can also practice by writing the same at home. Now I'll say some words that start with the letter A. A, say anar. In English, it's called pomegranate. Now let's say it together. Anar. Anar. And another word is agni. Agni means fire. Now it's your turn. Can you think of a word that starts with A? Tell me in the comments, okay? Okay, we got a homework now. We gotta write A 5 times. And find 2 things at your home that start with the letter A. So today, we have learned the letter A. In the next video, we're gonna learn the letter A. Don't forget to practice. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And the most important thing, please tell me in the comment box, how can I improve? Bye bye friends. See you soon.